How to download Spotify playlist to MP3. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to download Spotify playlist to MP3. First of all, you have to open your Spotify and here select the songs you want to download by adding them to your playlist. Now click on three dots in front of the song here. After that, click on Add to Playlist. Now click on Library here and click on My Playlist. After clicking on the playlist, here you have to click on the top left download icon. As soon as you click on it, your playlist will start downloading in MP3. In this way you can download Spotify playlist to MP3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel as you see next video.